Hey, so I wanted to go over with you on today the currency strength so that you will actually know how to utilize it. And also, I wanted to explain to you when you see the currency pairs here, the first pair, when you see bullish momentum, when the price is moving upward, that means that the first currency pair is stronger than the second. But then if you see the second currency pair here, when price is moving downward and a bearish momentum, that means the second currency pair is stronger than the first. All right. So in this situation, if you look in this area here where we have the white candles and you see bullish momentum here, you see that the New Zealand dollar is stronger than the US dollar in this area here. And then for the US dollar, you see here that the US dollar is stronger than the New Zealand dollar because price began moving downwardly in a bearish pattern. All right. So let me show you how to utilize the currency strength indicator. All right, as you see here, we are here on this website here, which is livecharts.co.uk. All right, and so with this here, you can utilize this to see which currency pair is stronger. And so you can utilize it to see where price is moving to. So we were just on New Zealand, which is here, and the US dollar, all right, which is here. So the US dollar is stronger. So since it was the New Zealand / US dollar, that means the US dollar, it should be bearish momentum at this very moment because the US dollar is stronger than the New Zealand dollar. So let's go back and check the charts to confirm this. All right, so we're back on the charts here, and we do see here we do have some bearish momentum. We do have a small candle here, which indicates that price is beginning to move upward, but we did have a large movement there for bearish momentum, and we're on the daily chart. So let's go ahead and take it down to the 4-hour chart to see what's going on the 4-hour chart as well. Same thing, we see that price has been moving downward. Currently, it is consolidating in this area, but it did have a very strong move downward. So this very strong, the US dollar is stronger than the New Zealand dollar. We can even take it down further. Let's go down to the 1-hour chart to see what's going on as well. All right, and as we see here, price is still moving downward. We still have that consolidation in this area here, but in the immediate area here, let's make the chart a little larger for us so we can actually see what's going on here. We see that price has moved downward here, and we have that consolidation there as well. So price is still moving downward. So we do have a very strong bearish movement on New Zealand USD, currently consolidating on the 1-hour chart. And so we do see at this point that for the currency indicator, the US dollar is stronger than the New Zealand dollar. So I hope that you can utilize this example so that you can become profitable in the market, most definitely. And it has been a pleasure speaking with you on today. Have a beautiful day.